Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by opening Google Gemini and tapping Canvas. This gets you into a blank workspace immediately. First, pick page size and orientation so your layout matches the final use. Choose a background color for contrast. Once done, enable layers and the grid, set 1/2 inch or 10px spacing for alignment. You should also turn on snapping. That way objects lock into place and save time when arranging shapes and images, making your first actionable steps efficient and precise. Now add your content. Import images, SVG, or drag and drop PDFs directly onto the canvas so you can work from real assets. Use the Shape tool, Pen, and Text tool to build structure. Assign colors and fonts to establish hierarchy. Once elements exist, group related items and lock backgrounds to prevent accidental moves. Make sure to use Snap, Distribute, and the ruler for even spacing. This controls visual balance and speeds final alignment, which is crucial for professional-looking results. Finish by reviewing layers, visibility, and export settings so the file matches delivery requirements. Choose PNG, PDF, or SVG depending on use. Set DPI, bleed, and color profile before export, and preview at 100% to confirm clarity. Once exported, save a layered source file for edits. If something goes wrong, flatten problematic layers or relink any missing assets. This often fixes export glitches. You should also clear cache and restart the app as a quick troubleshooting step if issues persist.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.